Listen, I'm setting up. I had some stuff to do. Was supposed to be for now. Then I figured I'm probably going to be late. And then I figured, well, if I'm late, upped it to 3:10. Now we're here. All right, so I appreciate you guys hopping in. The 2 people that were waiting, the 3 people that were waiting, good to see you guys. I haven't been checking on AMC and GameStop too much. I'm going to be looking at it all right now and giving my thoughts on it. So, everybody in here already, appreciate you guys hopping in, and let's get to it. Without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, got the water. All right. Gonna load up everything here and get this stream going. Yo. All right. Why is this not working here? Red day today, question mark. From last time, when I was looking at the stocks, it was red. Hey, how's it going? Mod, I can never pronounce how to pronounce. I can never figure out how to pronounce your name. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out soon. But right now, I'm trying to fix this. I'm gonna look at the market. I'm going to look at the market. I'm just trying to fix something right now. Let's see. With the connection. Okay. Get disconnected. Yo, Chris, what's good, homie? Still got that headache, dog. Still got that headache. Drank the protein shake, ate the egg whites, and still got the headache. But we'll see what happens, man. All right, we're trying to get this going. There we go. Connection back. Connection is back. All right, let's get this going. About to pull up the music, pull up my trading, see what AMC and GameStop have been up to for the day. Let's see. Okay, got an ad here. Okay. Think of me. Oh, all right. What's going on with the music? This is not the music. Don't worry. Hold on a second. All right. Here we go. All right. Time to look at what the market's doing. You don't think I should trade the 250 for an R1? No, bro. Definitely don't think so. Definitely don't think so, buddy. Do what you want to do. You always get scammed. You always get scammed, man. Do what you're gonna do. I'm not gonna listen anyway. Alright. Yo, it's good, bro. Appreciate you hopping in, Leroy. Alright. So, we're opening up the markets right now for the 7 people popping in. This stream was supposed to be in 5 minutes, but that's because I thought it was going to be a little late. A little later than I thought. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Go ahead and trade it. Alright. AMC down 4% as I'm looking at it right now. GameStop down 3.9%. Overall, this looks like some nice consolidation to the side. I think that down 4% spooks people, but in reality, it's just how unhealthy high AMC closed yesterday. But in reality, it's consolidating in the middle of yesterday's move. But let's check out these shares left for AMC. Apparently 1.4 million shares still available to borrow against AMC. I'm going to call bullshit on that. Let's check the live chat. Did I miss anybody's chat? Yo, what's up, Dino? I didn't even see your chat come in. Appreciate you guys hopping in here. Yeah. Ended up having a killer headache earlier. But let's show you the setup that we're working with, just so you guys know. All right, we're looking at this. We're looking at Stonko Tracker. We're checking out a few different things. Let me know if the music is a bit too loud. Just tone it down. All right. Wasn't TCAT moving earlier? Let's see what TCAT was doing. TCAT up 16% still. It's trying to hold that move, but it's really bleeding. Hopefully, if you guys were in, maybe you took some profits. Maybe this isn't over, but I do think it's probably going to come back down to $2.60. So we'll see what happens there. Yeah, I was super annoyed. Earlier because I was playing the 1348 on the IWM, and I got the cross on the 5 minute, and I was trying to play calls as soon as I got the cross, right? And I shit you not, like I had at least 20 orders Weeble wouldn't fill. I was just canceling them after 5-10 minutes consistently because I'm like, bro, what's going on? And I messaged them flipping out. I don't think they responded to me, but I was like, why the fuck are my orders not? I don't know. It was in the moment. I was really pissed because couldn't get the orders filled. So I just decided to not even hit the trade. Is $20 where we want to close tomorrow? Yeah, above 20 for AMC is where we want to close. And the reason for that is because you're going to have 83,000 calls expiring at that strike price. And if they roll into the money, then you're going to see that roll into next week. That's where we want to close. So, yeah, if you're laughing at the Weeble thing, oh, dude, I flipped out. On those. All right. Overall, guys, we low-key, this is the zone that we expected it to go in. So I don't think this is an unhealthy move to the downside because we had this drawn out for about a day or two, and we're just hanging around in there. So we'll see. We'll see, honestly. I think this is healthy. I like it. And if you take a look, let me see if I can pull it up here. Let me remove all drawings here. Slide you guys over. All right. Let me pull this up here so you guys can see it. Take the EMA off. All right. If you take a look at the SNDL, might help someone. How's that doing? Real quick way. Oh, up 16%. I got some calls on SNDL. I wonder how those are actually doing. I grabbed them a while ago. I don't even know what price I grabbed them at. I don't know. We'll see what happens with Sundial. Hopefully it keeps moving. Anyway, for AMC, if you guys weren't in back in May before it ran to 72, exactly what you're seeing now, like almost to the T. If not on the daily chart, but if you look at it right on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and go back to the May, you're gonna realize like this did the identical moves that it's doing right now. Okay, this is exactly what you're seeing. It runs up, it bounces, 10 to 12 to 14, getting those percentage gains, and then it drops to 12 again, consolidates at 13, pops up 15, 16, 18, and then it comes down again, etc., etc. That's ultimately what you're seeing happen. And each time it dips, people start losing faith and freaking out just because of the fact, right? How far back am I here? Should have already been at it. I'm trying to scroll. All right, let's check the live chat real quick. I've been down 65%. I've been down 65% on AMC, not sweating this little dip. Yeah, I'm not sweating at all. Personally, I don't sweat. But take a look at this, right? I'll show you guys this. I don't know how clear it's going to be for you. But the run-up before end of May to June to 77.26. By the way, that's the peak that it hit. 77.26. I don't know why everyone always says 72. I think they just look at the daily and assume. But take a look at what happened, okay? This is us. Okay? You got this rip, and then this is our sell-off right here. You're consolidating. and hopefully we get a slight move. Okay, you want a slight incline, and what that's going to do is bring you up here. That's ultimately what we're looking at, what we're working with. Now I'm going to scroll over. Remember, I'm on the 10-minute time frame, so now I'm going to scroll over and let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's not going to be exact, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, let's see here. This actually looks better on the 15-minute here. Okay, but just for belief purposes, I'll keep you guys on the 10. And I should have screenshotted back there of it. Okay, so this is why you shouldn't be worried. This is where we're at now. This is almost identical to what it looked like back in May. The incline, the heavy gap, and then you want this to sort of sell off a little bit or even consolidate if you wanted it to a T. But it doesn't have to come to a T. And then what's going to happen is you get a higher day, right? 22.35 is our high. You're going to want a higher day, just a little over that, maybe 23.35, etc. And a little bit of consolidation. And then out of nowhere, you're going to see the move that you're waiting for. That's what I'm expecting. That's best case scenario. That's what I'm hoping for. Just because the way history repeats itself, especially with AMC, GameStop. Yeah, that's what we're looking at. But let's check the live chat really quick now that we just went over all of that. You have sundial calls expiring 1/20/23. Wow, that's far out. Yeah, chances are if GameStop, AMC squeeze, BIG squeeze, Prog, TCAT, MULN, METX, all these squeeze plays probably rock as well. That's ultimately what you're going to see, and that's what I'm looking for. I don't really have money in all of these plays. I'm just saying. I'm interested in MULN. I like MULN. I got long-term calls on Sundial just for fun. They're super cheap. Let's see. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. Whoa. AMC and GameStop, are they getting a little pop for Power Hour? Little Poppy here. That's what they used to call me, Little Poppy. But that AMC and GameStop are starting to move a little bit. Let's see. I transferred from Robinhood to Fidelity. My average cost is way off. Average cost on Robinhood was around 32-ish. Transferred out there and went to Fidelity, and my average cost is 40. Ain't that some bullshit? Dude, I heard someone else actually complaining about that the other day on Twitter. I saw that. Someone's average was also off. That's super weird. I would not let that go. Make sure maybe it's just a glitch. Make sure your market value, it should show you what you put in. Make sure what you put in is the same price. Make sure they didn't deduct anything from that, because essentially they're just stealing money from you, and that's beyond the play. That's separated from what stocks you're trading at what time. That's more like you're taking money out of my account. So it's going to be a lawsuit type thing. Let's see, live chat. Thoughts on BBIG? Let me take a look at. This is what I said in the morning. Eyes on BBIG. This thing really could run, and it absolutely did not run at all. Okay, the reason I said that is because I don't know if it was a glitch on Ortex's part, but the cost to borrow was like up the ass. Not anything normal. It was like hundreds of percents on BBIG. So just looking at it, I was like, they're not going to hold this. There's no way. There's no way they want to pay this. There's no way they're going to hold this. Thoughts on BBIG for the medium term, short to medium term? I think BBIG is going to squeeze as well. I think BBIG is going to move. I think it's going to move alongside the other small cap squeeze plays like AMC, GameStop, etc. Let's see. I have the pics to show them too. Might call them. You right. I'm calling them. Okay. Dude, definitely call them. Hop back on the stream and let us know what happened. Seriously, because that'd be hilarious. You better listen. Yeah, if you're still on here, go tear them a new one. That's all I got to say. AMC getting a little pop here. GameStop Is GameStop still moving? GameStop still getting a new pop. High of the day, 138.99. AMC above 20. $20.22. If we can get a little bit higher for Friday. Only 60. Okay. Only 60 million in volume today so far, which is not a beautiful thing to see. But let me pull up the volume indicator right here and compare some things. All right. Today, this little sideways day, you're getting these little hammer candles. If you wanna compare it history wise, all right, let's just do it for shits and giggles. We'll show it, but this isn't to the T. We'll show it, but this is on the daily chart. Daily perspective. But you see the consecutive green days, and then the little hammer candles you got with a slight incline, and then a little dip. That dip is gonna scare people, but that's exactly what you're experiencing today. If you're gonna compare it to that, I prefer to compare it earlier in the stream when we looked at the 10-minute chart back in May when the run up came, because that looks a bit more identical. So, but this day is beautiful. AMC GameStop is beautiful because this is a little hammer candle. It's healthy. It's a spring action, and it gives them more momentum to push even higher on the next day or two or however long it needs to spring load. What you think about Hook? Hook? What is Hook? Ooh. Hook. Pharmaceutical play? Off the rip? I don't know. Off the rip, I wouldn't like it. But it seems like this seems like just another stock that's gonna squeeze with the other ones if the SPY keeps pushing. Because I guarantee you it's heavily shorted. SPY took a cool off, but now it's actually pushing throughout the day. New high of 449. If that continues, you could see some moves with AMC and GameStop. IWM is pushing, okay? New high of the day. You're going to see this transfer over, hopefully, into AMC in the next couple seconds. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, I don't know if I finished the whole Hook thing, but there's not enough volume. Chances are, if I had to play this, I would buy, like, super long-term few call contracts just for shits and giggles, and if this thing squeezes, you'll be set. That's probably the way I'd play it personally, but I don't know about it as a company. What is this? Is Sundial getting ready to squeeze? It's running. Is it running still? Whoa, Sundial up 21%. Is TCAT moving with it? Nope, TCAT's still selling off. It had its move. Be careful chasing this. Let's check the levels out. Yeah, it looks like Sundial just broke previous resistance. This thing is probably gonna get you all the way up to it's probably gonna run to 80 cents. I bet Sundial will run to 80 cents, but that's the next stop for it. You could get a little bit of a gain if you jump in and jump out. I personally wouldn't chase this. I'm a little late to the party. But just looking at this makes me very, very concerned. And that's because we went over this the other day. At the same exact time, within the hour, you see multiple plays do this, okay, on different days. So 2 days ago, it was MULN. At the same exact time in the day after sideways trading, you got this rip. Just around this time frame, like Sundial's doing. Sundial's pumping up 23%. We'll see where this goes. And then you had it into what was the stock yesterday that did it? Was it? Hold on, let me check here. What is this? What is Chris? Chris, quit spamming, buddy, or you're gonna get booted out of here. Chris, are you okay? Sorry, I got Biden syndrome. Makes me forget where I am, man. I'm taking my TCAT profit to the seafood boil spot. Oh, I don't like seafood. Earnings came out for what? Sundial? Chris got. Oh man, that kid's got a lot of syndromes going on. All right. Let's see. With Sundial, if you hopped in now, you're risking 65 cents. Not worth it to me. This run could be already half over. We'll see what happens. But the higher this goes, the more shorts are going to be in trouble. I wonder if my position's green on this for Sundial. Let's see. Oh, I'm green on a Sundial call. Let's see. Do I let this keep ripping? Oh shit. All right. Let's close one here. All right, I closed one Sundial one. I'll let the rest ride just for fun. But I had those for quite a bit. Glad to go green. If it sells off again, I'll probably just hop back in for some fun. All right. TCAT. No, nothing's happening. BBIG. Is AMC getting that move that the IWM got? AMC? Whoa. You're up. Whoa. You're up 320% on a call on what? Sundial? You're up 53%. You guys are all up. That is nasty. That's disgusting. Be careful here, but right now it's looking healthy. It just based at the previous high. It just based at it, so we'll see what happens here. You could get a little bit of sideways and then another rip. This thing could keep ripping. My take profit or stop loss would be at let's see, 6948, 69 cents. Okay, that's exactly where I would put my stop at. 69 cents. I wouldn't let it go past that. On the phone right now. Let me know what happens. Damn. All right. You guys are cooking up on Sundial. This makes me want to get in something, but I took my very tiny profits on Sundial because that was just for fun, but I'll take it. Overall, I'm liking AMC. What I think is, now if you were gonna think like a short seller to try and stop this, they have 1.4 million shares available to borrow against the stock. Really? Is the music too loud? You gotta let. Oh, okay. You're on hold. I got so confused. I was like, wait. The stream music? I think you're on hold. Are you talking about the stream music or you're on hold? Tell them you don't got time to wait. For everyone new hopping in, Leroy is gonna rip Robinhood a new ass. I think he's calling them right now. Wait, are you calling Robinhood or you're calling, let's see, where'd you transfer it to? Fidelity. Which one are you calling? Alright, let's see. Is Sundial still ripping? Still sitting around consolidating healthy. Still looking healthy. Earlier we reacted. Jeez, bro, I can't even talk. Earlier we reacted to Teddy Zane's video on the live stream. If you guys have any other videos you want us to watch on here, that was kind of fun. So if you want to, pop it in the chat. We'll see what happens. But all right, I know every YouTuber's opinion. All the YouTubers have an opinion on what's gonna happen with AMC GameStop. I want to hear your guys' take. What do you think is gonna happen? Because a lot of times YouTubers think they got it all under control. A lot of them. I'm not saying all of them. I'm not saying all of them, but a lot of times they think they know everything. I definitely don't. I guarantee you a lot of people in this chat know a lot more than I do. And I would like to hear your opinion on where you think AMC and GameStop are going to end up in the next few days if we're going to get that run. So let's hear it. I'm going to buy 10 SoFi $10 calls for January 24th. SoFi moving at all, or you just because? Ooh. SoFi is almost at its lows. Yeah, SoFi is almost at its lows. That's not a bad spot to get in, except the fact that you're timing the bottom. So good luck on that, but we'll see what happens here. We will see what happens. It could be risky to try and time the bottom, but overall, it looks like you're getting in at a decent price. It does, because it just bottomed out at 774. Let's see what AMC. Come on, AMC. We need you to move. We need you to do something. The further, see, this sideways consolidation is tough to say, right? Because it looks healthy, like everything we just went over. It does look healthy, but the fact that the $20 mark, which is what we want to close above tomorrow, is smack dab in the middle worries me, because the volume is not high enough. You have 60 million volume, okay? And we're hanging right around that $20 range. It's literally smack dab in the middle of AMC's chop. And if that flows into tomorrow, what's going to happen here is if this volume doesn't go past the 60 million and you don't have retail FOMOing in and actually attempting to move the stock, then you have the short sellers with the 1.4 million shares available to borrow. They're able to because it's chopping around 20. They're just gonna smack it down. End of day, smack it down. That's worst case scenario if this isn't a healthy consolidation. But that's the way I'm looking at it. And well, I guess we'll see what happens. The thing that makes me feel good, right, is that the SPY is absolutely put. And if that's the case, bears are in trouble. They're getting closer and closer to margin. And you could hopefully see another, what we would need is another smaller firm, which is what happened the past 3 days, cover on AMC. Maybe after hours today. That'd be beautiful. That way you're getting pulled so far away from that $20 zone where we have to close above that it's going to let go. There's no algorithm's going to be able to lock it down, etc. Let's check out the live chat here. Let me find SoFi. I heard SoFi will be 25 by next year. LPL. There's new robots coming this summer. Open interest. LPL. Not much volume here. Chart looks decent. It's in a long-term downtrend, which is what I don't like. But once again, it's getting close to the bottom. I think this thing could probably come back down to about if it doesn't go back down to its lows, I would probably buy in around like $17.20, somewhere in that area. Honestly, where it's at, it doesn't seem like a bad price, but I don't know much about the stock, so. All right, let's see. Let's see how Jimmy's doing here. Oh, GameStop trying to go green. It's trying. New high of 141.27. Let's see it, baby. Let's see it. Is AMC following? AMC's trying to follow, but it's got a little weighted vest on it. Come on, GameStop. You want to do it. There is 29 minutes left of the trading day. And GameStop's trying to push green. We'll see what happens here. Come on, GameStop. Get moving, baby. Get moving. Next stop for GameStop. If this thing breaks 160, we're gone. We are off. As for AMC, if this thing gets over 24, you're gone. You're off. You're gone. Gone to the races. All right. If I just froze, I'm sorry. Someone harassing me to answer them in a text message. Let's see. Come on, GameStop. GameStop's trying to go green. If you guys got GameStop on your charts right now, you see it. You're about to see it make a move. Okay, I'd give it another 2 minutes. Give it another minute or two, and you're gonna see this thing hopefully make a move. Let's see how the spy. Oh, it's not what we like to see. Okay, SPY got smacked. IWM it's trying to hold up here. Oh shit. Come on, SPY. Stay with us here. Stay with us. GameStop's got to go green. Hopefully SPY bases at 448.90. See what happens there. All right. Let's see. I didn't add a description to this, did I? Guys, I think AMC and GameStop severely are in need of your rockets. So if you want to drop those in the chat. Yo, alright. Oh, man. You guys can tell how mad I was at Weeble earlier. I posted that short if you haven't seen it. Weeble can eat my ass. Oh, my gosh. 10 minutes after posting that, I was like... I was a little annoyed every time I thought about the orders not getting filled, but I was just like, not even mad anymore. I was just laughing so hard. Oh, man. Because I was just thinking of from someone else's perspective. All right, let me I'm pasting the description under this video in case people want to check it out. Let's see. 9 people in here. All right. We actually had a share recall back in May. That was a couple days when you saw the run up actually to 70, and a lot of people don't talk about that. We had that share recall. That, in my opinion, caused most of that to get triggered. And I've had this petition going around. I actually haven't checked it in a while, but to sign the share recall, and it's actually in the description if you guys want to sign it. It's a petition, and what happened was back in May, someone else had made a petition, very similar. It got 20,000 signatures over a period of time, and then it got passed by Adam Aaron, whoever does the share recall. Gets it going, and then that's what happened. So I kind of think we should be able to do it again, seeing especially how Adam Aaron says we own 90% of the float. Well, let's just see it for a fact. You know what I mean? Let's just see it for a fact if we own 90% of the float. But if you want to hit the link in the description where it says sign petition, feel free. Wait, why is that link not... is that link not taking... Oh, shit. Alright, that link actually isn't taking people to the petition. Hold on, let me work on the link here. You know, out of all the videos I post and no one tells me about this, they're like, the petition ain't working, buddy. Oh, gosh. All right, hold on. Let's take a peek at AMC GameStop. Make sure they're not doing anything super significant. GameStop's just hanging out. It's getting ready to set up for another rip. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. The description with my description's all messed up because I don't know what links are gonna work now. I don't know why I keep going. All right. Wake up, buddy. AMC and GameStop gotta explode for me to explode, you know? That sounds disgusting, but you guys know what I'm saying. Alright. Signed petition. I gotta remove this link out of my description. And we're gonna have to get the right link for that. What else are we gonna remove? This description is so old. Become a member. Let's see. This Discord link has to move up, so let's delete that. Let's move it up. Paste. Okay. And then you have... Why the fuck... Okay, this Weeble one has to get out of here. You're not getting any promotions from me, buddy. Alright. We'll keep the Twitter one. We'll keep the rest. Now let me find the petition that I made. Okay, change.org. Let's sign in and get my actual link to my petition. Gosh. Oh man. My petitions. This is not me. What? Alright. I don't know what the fuck it just signed me in as. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Okay. Let's check it out here. 13. Password does not match? I don't think so, buddy. You're gonna have to let me type a little slower then. Okay, that password doesn't match? Bro, this makes no sense. I use like 2 passwords. Wow. Okay. Wow. What the fuck? If that's not my password, what's my password? We can try this. Why? Alright, you know what? Petition's blown, so we'll... maybe I could just share it by searching it instead of logging in. AMC, share, recall. My petition better be up still. Yeah, here it is. Alright. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. Well, we have 360 something signatures on here. Let's pop this link in the description. See, share, recall, petition. All right. Now let's link this down here. If you guys want to sign this, because I think we do. I think we get a share recall soon. I think we deserve it. Now the link is in the description. That should work. The petition link, sign this petition link. It should say AMC share recall. If it doesn't say that, then it's wrong. There's no reason to click on it. All right, let's see what's happening with your bro. You won't believe what he said. Okay, remember this is Leroy who called Fidelity or Robinhood, one of the two, about his AMC average. Okay, let's see. Because I bought some AMC yesterday. She said the price I bought at was $56. You tell me when the last time... No way, bro. Please tell me you're still on the phone. You better be still on the phone. If this is true. All right, you want to know the last time AMC was at $56 was... right here. Okay. AMC's last time it saw $56 was July 1st. That's the last time it saw of last year. So almost a year from now. Wow. You better dude, real talk makes no sense. Are you still on the phone? Don't let that go. Tell her you didn't. Tell her you didn't. No, I didn't buy it. Well, what the fuck she's talking about? Still on hold, so hard to hear you. Oh, sorry. Let me know if you can hear this. Everyone else, cover your ears. Don't let up, okay? You gotta seriously, don't let up on that. You can't hear me. Damn. Lady almost just. All right. Oh, she just smashed the curb. I don't know. I'm not gonna look over. It's a little awkward. All right. For everybody in here, do you guys watch or listen to the stream? I'd like to know. All right, we really need those. We need to close above 20 tomorrow. I think tonight's video is gonna be super short. I'm gonna fly through the info and get straight to the point. And my predictions for tomorrow, after the market closes, I'll make that video. We currently have 17 minutes left. GameStop looks like it's about to try and go green now. It hung around a little bit, let the RSI cool off, and it looks like it could go for another push. At the same time, the SPY bounced off of exactly where I said, 448.80, right around there. It bounced off of 448.85 or 84, somewhere in that zone. It's testing it again. Hopefully it can build a base there and continue to rip. Then you should see the same thing move over to GameStop. See how the IWM is doing. IWM is getting smacked right now. Hopefully it can base at around 205. You're looking for it to you're looking for it to base at least at 205 here. And then you're gonna see, let's see what AMC kind of hanging out, not really getting smacked. You want AMC to base at least at the $20 level, but otherwise $20.13 is what I'm looking at for AMC. Let's see GameStop. GameStop's doing fine. GameStop is absolutely doing fine. It's setting up for another rip, so we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Can you please help me? Bro, I'm not home. I don't know what you want me to do. I just bought 50 shares of SoFi, all cost average in if it goes lower. Okay. All right, what is he saying? Let me. GameStop going for another push. GameStop going green. GameStop is going green right now on the day. Bro, he's bugging me about a bolt. Oh my gosh. 50 shares of SoFi. I'll cost average in if it goes lower. Good stuff. We'll see what happens with SoFi. Yeah, 16 minutes left. 15 minutes now. Let's get this shit going. You got SoFi green, Sundial green. Sundial is going for another push. If you're not in that, be careful with chasing. You have GameStop going green right now. GameStop going green. Drop some fucking rockets in the chat because we got 15 minutes left. And we got AMC and GameStop to get ready to run. So GameStop is going green. We need our girl Amy to get up there. So in order for AMC to go green, you're looking at, I think, around $20.77. I don't even think we got up there at all. But you're going to see heavy resistance at $20.73. Or honestly, the whole way up. From where it's at right now, if it breaks resistance, you could get a nice breakout at $20.36. We need our girl Amy to push. She looks like she's going for a little bit of a rip here. IWM getting the bounce right off that zone. Let's see how the SPY doing. SPY is not getting the bounce yet, so we'll see what happens here. How short is SoFi? I don't have Ortex, but let me see if I can find that for you. Let's see. Let's see. I tried getting Ortex one time. Sometimes it lets me use it. Sometimes it doesn't. I don't know if it's like a MacBook issue. I really don't know. Let's see. Let's see if I can find this for you. Let's hit the like button. Yeah, I appreciate it. If you want to hit the like, you can. It's all set. If not, we just chill. We hang out here, and it is what it is. Love talking to you guys, hanging out with you guys. Let's see. I don't know how delayed this short interest is. 21%, 21.6% of free float. So that's pretty high. I'm pretty sure SoFi had a little bit of a squeeze at some point. I remember. Yeah, SoFi. What stock does this look like? The chart looks so similar to something. Yeah, the SoFi chart on the daily compared to the MULN chart on the daily, it just looks too similar. I think they both get heavily shorted, and at some point, as soon as the market starts to rebound, shorts just get burned. AMC only down 1.8% now. That's what we like to see. GameStop going green. Come on, almost up 1%. You see people start hopping in like, yo, GameStop's going green. This is what's happening. Oh, my neck. All right. Let's see. Come on, Jimmy. Come on, Jimbo. Let's see what they're doing to GameStop. 100,000 shares available to borrow against GameStop. Let's see what the options are looking like. GameStop realistically wants to. We want it to close above 150, so really not at that point yet. But even if not, you have 23,000 calls expiring over the 140 strike price. So if we close over that by tomorrow, beautiful. But GameStop is super whippy. Like, the numbers whip up and down a lot faster, I feel like, than AMC do. So it's a little bit sketchy trying to close above a certain level with GameStop. I would love to see it break 160 on GameStop and 24 for AMC, and I think both of them after that you're gonna see a really tough move. SPY getting rejected again is not what you like to see. Just based off of what it looks like, if this continues to get rejected here, you're probably going to see it sell off into close unless it starts flagging out. But we'll see what happens right here. Let's see how the IWM is doing. IWM, same thing, same exact thing. Come on, AMC. Let's get going. I want AMC to break 2040. It's a good spot. Clean break, though. No chicken shit. GameStop up now 8%. High on the day of 142.99. Let's see where this thing goes. Usually AMC follows, but GameStop does have a higher cost to borrow percentage, so we'll see what happens here. Let's see if GameStop closes green. That's gonna be nice. If GameStop closes green, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutive days of green. The last time you saw 8 consecutive days of green on GameStop was 8 consecutive days. Jeez. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I shit you not. GameStop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is. I just looked back an entire year on the daily chart. GameStop has never had, correct me if I'm wrong, in the past year, has never had a 8-day consecutive closing green. Has never had it. If we close green today, that's a huge step. And I guarantee the media is not going to cover it. The media is going to shit all over it if that gets put out there. But if GameStop closes green, that's round of applause for GameStop. So, all right, AMC is fighting that 2040 level. We'll see what happens here. This is the spot where you either see another rejection or you get that breakout that you've been looking for. Because even in pre-market and after hours, this is the resistance level that you want to look at. Ultimately, it's 2050, but I think 2040 is where it's going to have a tough time fighting around. Now, if you get rejected here, let's see, you had 1, 2, 3, 4. You had 4 touches already realistically on 2050, and AMC is known to break out on the 4th touch. But we'll see what happens here. I'm looking back on the 22nd. I'm counting that as 1, and then the 24th after hours 2, and then midday today 3, and then this test that we're going to right now as 4. So if we get that on the 4th touch, like AMC is known for, that'd be beautiful. But if not, we'll see what happens. Hopefully you get that pop in after hours. Come on, GameStop. Come on, GameStop. Hold up there. We just need you to hold up there 8 minutes. You got 8 minutes to go to make your first 8-day consecutive green days in a year. And I didn't even backtrack before then. Let's see if you even got it. Let's see if you ever got 8 consecutive days on GameStop. Jeez, I don't see any. I don't see any 8 consecutive green days on GameStop. Oh wait, was I just? Yeah, no, I was. All right. All right, let's see how this looks. I don't know why my chart looks like that. Let's pull up Trading View. I don't like that. But Trading View lets me look at things in a little bit of a different perspective. Okay. And we want to look at this on the. Let's look at it on the 15-minute. Okay. Bear with me here. All right. Now, if you take a look at the 15-minute, let's see. I'm actually gonna bring it back to. Let's bring it back to May. Let's compare this, so I can maybe get a screenshot in here. Let's see. And I want to see how it looks with momentum. So we're gonna use Hikinashi charting. Let's see if this ever goes back far enough. Geez. Let's see, what are we at here? Okay, this is where we want to go. This is where we want to go. Okay, the run up. Why does this look like this? I'm sorry, guys. You're like, what the fuck is this kid doing? All right, let's take a look on the 5-minute if we can even see it. That's why. Okay, here we go. Here it is. Okay, and we're gonna move it. 15. All right. Well, I give up. That is super annoying. Leave page. Okay. 5 minutes left of Power Hour. I don't know why everything is so glitchy. Seriously. All right, there we go. GameStop pushing new high of the day, 143.47. GameStop's fighting its resistance here. It really has resistance all the way up 147.20. If we break over 147.20, nah, we got 4. I mean, GameStop could do it in 5 minutes. Don't get me wrong, but we have over $4 to go, so you'd have to really see some shit happen. IWM went green. SPY went green. As of now. All right, let's check out the live chat real quick. Must remember to stay zen, even though this feels like the squeeze. Gotta stay freaking zen. Fighting the urge to buy massive calls like a complete degenerate. you know, if you got the money and it's fun and you don't care if you lose it, fuck it. But I hear you. Okay, SPY fighting resistance, major level. If you get the breakout now or in after hours, you're going to see major money pump into the market. The fact that SPY is hitting this high again, if you get the breakout over this resistance level on the SPY, you're going to see massive money pumping back into the market. And honestly, on this technical breakout, if no news comes out, you're going to probably see another smaller firm covering on AMC, and that's exactly what we need. That's exactly what we need. Let's see. 3 minutes Power Hour. 3 minutes of Power Hour. Happy you guys are in here. All right, let's see. Wash and rinse rule, but doesn't make sense to me. She also said they have to take Robin Hood's word. Sounds a little sus AF. Wash and rinse rule? Are they talking about a wash sale? Did you? No, because you didn't sell and buy. You just transferred, right? Didn't you just transfer? Yeah. It sounds like you're getting absolutely fucked with that. Listen, Leroy, if you're not in the free Discord, hit the link down below and DM me on there the whole story. I'll make a short about it on YouTube so we can expose a little bit. But if you can send me any screenshots or anything, that'd be cool. GameStop, come on, you gotta hold green. This is a big move for GameStop here because it's never had, at least in the over a year, it's never had 8 consecutive green days. It's come on, GameStop, you gotta hold green. Don't do this to me. Don't you dare do this to me. Spy is not backing down from that resistance. Like I said, if this breaks over this, oh my god, Spy on the daily is looking dirty. This is gonna Spy's getting the breakout right now. Spy's getting that breakout right now that it needs at that resistance level. This is gonna be major coming into the next few days, coming into Friday and next week. If more money comes pumping back into the market, into the SPY, into the IWM, shorts are gonna get burned. Shorts are gonna get burned. This is good. This is great. This is great. What does it mean for AMC and GameStop? This means good. This means great. All right, let's see if they're using any shares against it in the last 2 minutes. It's 3:59. Power hour is about to end. Let's check out the stocks here. All right. Come on. Let's go. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, GameStop. Hold green, baby. Dude, the SPY is cranking. The SPY's 20 seconds. The SPY is absolutely cranking. 20 seconds of power hour left. We'll see what happens here. The SPY is not stopping. Guys, if you're not looking at the SPY, it's at 450.42, and it's not stopping. It just broke through resistance. The more money that pumps into this, you're going to see AMC and GameStop fly after hours. 2, 1, and power hour is over. The stock market is closed. SPY hit a high of 450.52, and it's not stopping at all. It's not stopping whatsoever. More money's being pumped into IWM, 205.91. AMC, let's see, AMC closes the day at $20.16. You need to close above 20 tomorrow for a little bit of gamma to roll in. And apparently the 1.4 million shares available to borrow on AMC were not used today. I don't know how accurate that is. But as for GameStop, there's 100,000 shares available to borrow against it. And it closed at 141.88. Did my baby GameStop. GameStop closes green. 8 consecutive days. This hasn't happened for GameStop in over a year. What a beautiful way to end the market, considering how choppy and how slow it was before power hour. This was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. AMC and GameStop got some nasty consolidation. And take a look at the SPY. Take a look at the SPY. What happened? You're getting that breakout. Okay, it's testing it. I wouldn't call it a clean breakout right now. It just got rejected at the high it got rejected at before, which is around 450. 57, anywhere in that zone between 450.50 and 450.60. It just got rejected again, but it's fighting it. It was not a harsh rejection. Chances are here, there's two possible scenarios, okay? And one's good, one's bad for AMC and GameStop. And the best scenario is that this SPY ends up breaking this resistance and getting the breakout. More money's pumped into the market. Shorts are getting burned, getting closer to margin calls, end up covering on AMC and GameStop. Or the worst case scenario is that SPY gets rejected here and you see another double top like you saw right back here on March 3rd and February 28th. If you get that double top, then we may or may not go back into a bear market, okay, depending on also if the Fed decides to raise those rates by 50 points or not. So guys, what a beautiful way to end the day. I'm going to look over the live chats real quick, and then we're going to hop off this stream. If you want to hit the like on your way out, you can. Really tune in for tonight's video, because this is going to be... SPY SPY's getting that breakout. This is the better case scenario that we wanted. You think the after hours is going to be spicy? Got to go, bro. I'm at work. Working. Yo, good luck at work, bro. Enjoy the rest of your day. After hours, will after hours be spicy? This is exactly what something I want to, I don't know. It's tough to answer, right? If this SPY keeps moving, if it breaks this high, if it doesn't get fully rejected here, I do think after hours will be crazy. But guys, tune into tonight's video. We're going to go over everything, and I'm going to try to keep it under 3 to 4 minutes because I don't want to waste your guys' time. I love you all. I appreciate you all hopping in the stream, and we're going to hop off this. We'll see.